Hello friends, I am Suhail. I am teaching IELTS at Dynamic IELTS Center. Today we are going to talk about a very important section of IELTS preparations. It is report writing. Report writing is the task one of our writing for the academic candidates. In the academic IELTS, we are supposed to write a report in task one. Candidates are supposed to write minimum 150 words, and you are supposed to finish this task in 20 minutes. So 20 minutes is a big time. If you plan your report, actually you are supposed to describe, summarize and compare the information which is required in the examination on a graph, chart, table or a map. So what is the best way out? The best way out is a simple techniques. Simply you are supposed to describe the question, the table, the chart, the graph in your own words. Means you are going to rephrase the question statement. After restating the question, you are supposed to talk about the overall trends, overall changes. You are supposed to talk about the overall what is happening in the picture. Means what changes are being there, what the trend is increasing or decreasing. You will be using all these trend about. You will be talking about its dramatic changes. You will be talking about its gradual changes. You will be talking about where the things are plummeting, where they are plunging, where the things are rising. So you will be talking about all these things. But how? The point is that how you will be talking about these all techniques. The tip is, the simple way out is that you are supposed to tell an opinion and a factual statement afterwards. So the best thing is that in any table, graph, chart, in your report writing, choose 6 to 7 points. Out of those 6 to 7 points, you are supposed to write 6 or 7 opinions and 6 to 7 factual statements afterwards. You are not supposed to do lots of hard work. You are not supposed to talk about each and every figure given to you. You are not supposed to talk about each and every trend which is been changing over the year. So only choose 6 to 7 points and things out of the tables, graph or any picture which is given to you in report writing to talk or to write on the year. So simply describe itself, describe the report or the table or the graph which is given to you. Then afterwards, tell the overall trend and changes, then summarize the information or compare the given points to you which is asked in the examination, and write an opinion sentence, and after the opinion sentence follow the factual statements. Do not worry about that how we are supposed to conclude it up. So if you follow these techniques, I hope that you will be doing wonderful in your examinations. So I wish you good luck. Please keep on watching my videos. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment and share it. Thank you.